Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on differentiation under the integral sign. In this lecture, we are going to discuss next example. Here, the example is using differentiation under the integral sign. We have to solve integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus x minus e raised to the power minus alpha x divided by x sec x dx. Here, alpha is strictly greater than 0. Also, find the value of f of 2. So now see how to solve this example. Here in this question, it is already given that
integration is a function of alpha. So just we have to solve this integral. That means we have to find value of f of alpha. और answer किसमें आएगा? Obviously alpha में, क्योंकि it is a function of alpha. So now see how to solve this term. Here our given f of alpha is equals to integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus x minus e raised to the power minus alpha x divided by x sec x. And differentiation in the integral sign says that if we have given integration is a function of alpha, that means this term is differentiable with respect to alpha. So if we differentiate with respect to alpha, then derivative of this term is df of alpha by d alpha. Now see here differentiate with respect to alpha, so this is integral 0 to infinity. When we are differentiating with respect to alpha, then x is constant, so numerator का first term का derivative 0. Second term में क्या होगा? Minus derivative of e is e raised to the power minus alpha x, again derivative of power term. So alpha से differentiate कर रहे हैं, तो ये minus x as it is, derivative of alpha is 1 divided by x sec x dx. Here minus of minus plus, and this x is cancelled with this one. And this 1 upon 6 we can shift into numerator. So it is an integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus alpha x. 1 upon sec x we can write it is a cos x dx. How to solve this integration? We know that here we have to use Laplace transformation of cos at is nothing but s upon s square plus a square. तो यहाँ पे s और a आएंगे कहाँ से? तो ये भी लिख लो यहाँ पे. This is nothing but integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus st into cos at dt. Now this given integral, if we compare with this one, so e raised to the power minus st. Here, if we compare this term, then coefficient of variable x is minus alpha. That means s equals to alpha, and at. So here, coefficient of x in cos is 1. So here, if we compare this term, then s is nothing but our alpha and a is nothing but 1. So by using this Laplace transformation, this integral is nothing but here df of alpha by d alpha is equals to s upon s square plus a square. So alpha upon alpha square plus 1. That means derivative का term तो आ गया. Now next task is we have to find f of alpha. So we have to integrate with respect to alpha. So in the next step, we have to integrating both sides with respect to alpha. So left hand side derivative and integration with same variable. So we get function that is f of alpha is equals to integral alpha divided by alpha square plus 1 d alpha plus integrating constant c. Now here derivative of this denominator term is twice alpha. Here alpha already existed, just we have to adjust 2. So if we multiply by 2 and divide it by 2, then it is a 1 upon 2 log of alpha square plus 1 plus integrating constant c. That means हमने इंटीग्रेशन को सॉल्व कर लिया, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है? दिस इंटीग्रेटिंग कांस्टेंट यहाँ पे आ गया है, जबकि यहाँ पे एज पर क्वेश्चन में कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं आना चाहिए था. So next task is we have to find value of c. Put alpha equals to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1, if we put alpha equals to 1, then f of 1 equals to integral is 0. That means we know the value of function at 1. So अगर एक value known है, तो using this condition we can find c. So same value, if we put alpha equals to 1 in equation 2. In equation number 2, if we put alpha equals to 1, then left hand side is 0 because function at 1 is 0. So left hand side is 0. In the right hand side, it is 1 upon 2 log of, here alpha is 1, so it is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus c. So here c equals to minus 1 upon 2 log of 2. So put this value in equation number 2 क्योंकि हमें integral solve करना था. Integral that is nothing but f of alpha. So put this constant value in equation 2. So from equation 2, f of alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 log of alpha square plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 log 2. इसके आगे जस्ट अभी log के प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करके सिंप्लीफाई करो, अदरवाइज दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. So here we can take 1 upon 2 constant outside. If we take 1 upon 2 outside, then it is a log of alpha square plus 1 minus log of 2. And using property of log a minus log b is log of a by b. So here it is a log of alpha square plus 1 by 2. Hence solution of integration. So if we solve this integral, then solution of integration is this one. Now next is additional question is we have to find function at 2. So here put alpha equals to 2. So we get value of f at 2. That is nothing but 1 upon 2 log of, here alpha is 2, then it is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2.
Below the video you can see subscribe button. Click on that to subscribe, and there in the right hand side bell icon. Click on the icon to get the notification of updated video. In the left hand side there is a Swati Think Mathematics icon. Click on that icon. You will see home page of my channel video playlist. Here in the playlist all the videos are available in the folder form. So if you want video on particular topic, just click on that folder.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.